Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Toya. Today I recorded this beautiful natural makeup look. I have been doing a lot of colors lately and I have gotten some requests from some of my friends on Facebook for me to do a natural makeup tutorial. This is as natural as it gets for me. So if you guys want to see how I created this beautiful look, then go ahead and keep watching. Hey guys, okay, so for moisturizing my face today, I'm going to start off with the Olay Regenerate moisturizing cream, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. This is the winter, you guys. You want to make sure you protect your skin. It doesn't have to be a moisturizer, it could be an oil, but because I have oily skin, I would not use an oil today. So starting off with my brows, I'm just lining my eyebrows the shape that I have. Well, actually I'm going up a little bit further and I'm elongating it because the eyebrows will be the main focus of the look today. I'm not doing too much on the lids. I'm going for a very natural look today, so I am extending out my eyebrows, and now I'm just lining it up and cleaning whatever mistakes I had made with my creamy concealer. This is from the BH Cosmetics Foundation and Concealer Palette, and as you see later on, I will use a color that is very close to my skin tone at the top, so we don't have that halo looking eyebrow. So because I want my makeup to last, I'm going to go ahead with this Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. And I'm laughing there because that package looks so beat up and I was laughing at myself. Anyway, I'm going to use it and I'm going to put that right in the center of my face where I normally get oily. Next, I followed up with that same color that I used under my brows to clean it up. I'm going to put that all over my lids and I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Next, I'm going to start with the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 30, and I'm going to put that all over my lids so that when I apply whatever shadow, I just want to have that area set so that there's no creasing. This step is very important. So next I'm going in with this Malibu Glitz 25 color palette, and I'm going with that orange shade, and I'm just going to apply that right into my crease area. I just want like a transitional color. You know, normally that is the part where your eyelids get a little bit darker, so I'm just creating a facade, I guess. And so I'm just going to blend that color right on my lids, and you're going to apply a very little bit of shadow. You're not going to apply too much. And there goes my son, of course, making his debut in all of my videos. I'm using the Kiss lashes today, but before I apply those, I will put on some mascara on my top and bottom lashes, just so that when I'm applying the lashes, they are not in my way because I have really short and curly lashes. So I just use the mascara to comb them away from my lids so that when I'm applying the lashes, they apply easier. Don't worry guys, I have an eyelash tutorial coming soon, so just wait on that. And to apply the lashes today, I'm using this tweezer with this pointy tip. I don't know what this tweezer is called. If I do find a link, I will be sure to put it in the description box. This has made my application of my eyelashes so much easier. And I also use the hair glue. I know it's weird, but the glue that it comes with doesn't work for me, and I've been using this for so long, so that's what I'm going to stick to. Next, I'm going to apply my foundation, and as always, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 360. And for highlighting today, I'm going to use that same color that I used to highlight under my brows. I'm going to apply that to the center of my face, and going in with a wet beauty blender, I'm going to blend that out for a seamless look. Okay guys, so for the highlight today, I am using the same color that I used earlier. I'm just going to apply that on my face in the T-zone area where I normally highlight. And if you notice, I didn't set the concealer right underneath my eyes, because when you're using your beauty blender or whatever brush you're using, you want to take that product and build it up. You don't want to set it right underneath there, because that is what causes creasing, and we don't want that because that is not a beautiful look. So we're just going to go ahead and keep blending that out. And wherever you have applied your concealer, you want to make sure that you blend it out a little bit lower so that there's no line of demarcation. And to set the highlighted areas, I'm just going in with my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 30, and I'm going to set under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and my chin, and a little bit right on top of my cupid's bow. I just want that area to stay matte because that's the place where I normally get oiliest. Hit that thumbs up button, you guys, for me and my dancing skills. I'm always dancing when I finish setting my highlight because you know it's gonna be lit. Anyway, for my all over face powder today, I'm going in with my E.L.F finishing powder, and this is in the shade Deep Dark. I really love this powder. It is close to a foundation powder. It really sets your face and it brings out color, you know, and I normally would add this powder on top of my highlight because sometimes I know the highlight powder does look a little bit light, and I'm going for a very natural look today, so I'm just applying that all over my face again just to blend in those two colors together. So I'm taking that dark powder and I'm going to add that right under my highlight and under my chin and across my forehead. For contouring today, we're creating this illusion that we have a snatched face. So next I'm going in with the LA Girl Light Strobe powder, and I'm going to apply that right under my brow bone. Yay for baby, he wanted to give mommy a hug. How sweet. And so next I'm going in with my Maybelline Big Shot Colossal Mascara, and I'm going to apply that on my bottom lashes. Next I'm going in with this brown lip liner pencil, and I'm going to line out my lips, followed by the Ashley Tizdale Illuminate matte lipstick, and I'm going to apply that right in the middle and blend it out. Next I'm going to add some lip gloss. I didn't want that harsh matte look today. Since I was going for something soft, I decided to top it off with some lip gloss, and this lip gloss was from a beauty supply store that I had got a couple months ago. Next, I'm going to take my tapered brush and going back in with that same LA Girl Strobe highlight powder. I'm going to add that on the tip of my cheekbones. I'm going to add that slightly in the middle of my forehead, a little bit down my nose, right across my cupid's bow, and a little bit under my chin. And if you feel like you've applied too much, you can always go back in with your face powder brush and just blend it out so you can have a much lighter and welcoming appearance. So after I applied the lip gloss, I noticed that it was a little bit too bright, so I just took a paper napkin and I pressed my lips against the paper just to take off some products, and I went back in with lip gloss and I applied a little bit more, and that look was much more pleasing, and it matched the look that I was going for. And to set my all over face today, I'm using the E.L.F Makeup Mist and Set Spray. And I like this product, so I use a lot. It doesn't matter, and it's quite inexpensive. So yeah. Now for the hair, I'm gonna have a hair review linked right after this, so if you guys want to check out this hair, you can go ahead and do so. Well, that's kind of cozy look for today, guys. I sure hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. This is very natural for me. A lot of people would say that this is too much makeup, but everybody has their own preferences. You can always subtract some of the products, so if you want, you can take away the foundation and just use a powder foundation to use less products. You don't have to use lashes. You could probably just use mascara, and of course you don't have to use this big voluminous hair. You can always use your natural hair or something shorter. But I think this look is very great for people who you know, want to take photo IDs or for work or something that, you know, doesn't require that big pow, you know, look. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. The winner for my giveaway is, and yes, so
yeah, it is now.
Pick one. Only one. Pick one. Pick one. Pick one. All right. Daisy Lopez. All right. Sulu. Good job. I will have a couple more videos coming soon. I will have a giveaway next month, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, go ahead and click this like button. Subscribe to my channel right here. My previous video will be uploaded right here on the left, so go ahead and click those videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.